Climb inside the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.